Hey guys, I got my 2015 F150 here, and this will work on all the F150s that have this little keypad. If you don't know your code, I'm going to show you how to get that real quick. But do you know that you can push these two bottom buttons and it'll lock? See, watch. It'll lock your truck. Boom. Locked. So it's a quick way to just push those buttons and it'll lock. If you have one of the older styles, actually uses a key and doesn't use like a perimeter walk away button, so you just push those and it locks the whole truck, tailgate and everything. Now when we use that, I mean, you can use it anytime, you know, if you're at the beach or something, don't want to take your key, throw your key in the center console, lock your truck, and get back in with the code. And that way you don't have to worry about keeping up with your key all the time. Just make sure you know your code. And I'm going to show you how to get that if you don't have it. So if you don't have your code, you're going to need both keys to get it. It won't give it to you otherwise. So I got two keys here. I'm going to show you how to do it. Take one key and put it in the ignition. Turn it to the accessory just all the way until the screen lights up. Don't start the vehicle, okay? You're going to turn that off. All right? Immediately take the other key. Do the exact same thing with it. Put it in. Don't start the car, just turn it to the accessory. Boom, there you go. Keypad code. Tells you right there. Okay, that's your manufacturer's code. That's not the code. If you've changed it to a different code, that's not your code that you've changed it to. That code is always good on 2015 and probably prior. Your factory code is still good regardless of whether you program another code. So you'll actually have two codes, the original and then the one you put in when you add your own code. Right, so once you're outside your vehicle, you put in that original code that it just showed you on the screen, and then press your 1-2 button. And then put in a 5-digit new code and press these two buttons to lock the door. Once you do that, your code, your custom code, will also open the door. Hope this helps. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. More videos coming soon. Thanks. See ya.